Have you noticed something strange lately? While headlines are full of distractions, the smartest investors in America are quietly making a massive move. They're not shouting, they're not tweeting, but they are moving their money out of the US dollar. And here's why that should scare all of us. Just this week, China and Brazil finalized a new trade deal, completely bypassing the US dollar. That might sound distant, but it's a direct shot at the dollar's global dominance, and the first domino in a chain that threatens the entire financial foundation of your retirement. Now, before we go further, let me tell you about a man named George Patterson, a retired firefighter in Scottsdale, Arizona. After 37 years of service, George had built up a respectable nest egg, $678,000 in his retirement account. Not flashy, but enough to live comfortably, or so he thought. Until one morning last fall, when he woke up to the news that the 10-year Treasury yield had spiked again, and his safe bond-heavy portfolio had taken another unexpected hit. George was furious, confused, and frankly, scared. He asked the same question many of you might be asking. If even the dollar can't be trusted, what can? And the answer he found wasn't a new tech stock or crypto token. It was something far older and far more stable. Gold, but not gold you stash in your closet. George rolled over a portion of his IRA into a gold IRA, a government-approved account that lets you hold physical precious metals as part of your retirement. It wasn't everything, just enough to hedge the storm, $172,000. Here's the kicker. Since then, gold has quietly outpaced the S&P 500, and George, he sleeps just fine, because while markets swing and inflation chips away at savings, gold doesn't flinch. Now let's zoom out. Just look at the signals piling up. US debt just passed 34 trillion. That's trillion with a T. Foreign nations, even allies, are diversifying away from the dollar. Inflation cooled slightly, but groceries and gas are still choking middle-class wallets. Smart money sees the writing on the wall. They're not waiting for a crash. They're hedging now, quietly. Hence the silent exit. And here's the most important part. You don't need to be a millionaire to protect yourself. You just need to act before everyone else catches on. So here's the question. If someone like George, a humble, hard-working American, can safeguard his retirement by reallocating into a gold IRA, what's stopping you? If you're retired or planning to retire soon, you owe it to yourself to explore this option. Because in uncertain times, the most dangerous thing you can do is nothing. Get the information, make a plan, and start building real protection that actually holds its value. If you found this eye-opening, imagine how much more peace of mind you'd feel after learning exactly how a gold IRA works. There's a free guide waiting for you, no pressure, just the facts, that can walk you through everything you need to know. Because it's not about fear, it's about preparation. And like George says now, I didn't buy gold to get rich. I bought it so I'd never have to worry about getting poor. Start your exit from uncertainty today and head towards something solid. Click the link below. Let's protect what you've worked your whole life to build.